Excuse me, I've been horsing this down. It's delicious. Okay. Okay.
Sharon, can you give me another beer?
No.
All right, we're gonna start on some smoked ribs. CJ is gonna show me how it's done.
We're not smoking these, Joe. We're slow cook them in.
Oh, okay, slow cook.
In the microwave for
Yeah.
12
He told me to
hours.
preheat the oven, and I said, okay, what setting should I put it on? Like eggs or baked potato on the microwave? And he wanted like the real oven on.
And he was still confused even after that.
Slightly. All right, next step is a generous amount of dry rub, correct?
Yep. Yeah, we're just gonna put a dry rub on these. Oven's preheated to 260 degrees. We'll cover these with foil. And just let them slow cook for about 5 hours. When they're done, they will make you tongue slap your brain out. Will make you tongue slap your brain out. Will make you tongue slap your brain out. I guarantee it.
Nice. So 260 for 5 hours?
Yep.
I might be able to handle this.
I think you will.
These are pork ribs, Joe.
Okay.
Now, I know there's going to be some rib experts out there that say that you should, on the bone side, you should peel that little bit of film off. But we're not in competition barbecue, and that's going to all dissolve anyway.
So is there any certain way they got to be put in the pan?
Just make sure the bone's down.
Okay. All right. And the rub we're using is Weber Dry Rub Original.
We'll see you guys in 5.5 hours. 5 hours, something like that.
Okay, we have the ribs are done after 5 hours, and the brisket after just heating it up after the overnight cooker. Ooh, man, that looks really, really good.
And for anyone wondering how tender these are, I just took these out of the oven. So I'm going to grab the center of this rib.
Oh, wow.
That's some good stuff right there. And simple to make.
And even I could do that. Just put the rub on, 5 hours in, and you're done.
Should we look at the fourth one?
Yeah, let's look at it. Because I'm really feeling hungry.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. There we go. Simple, easy. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Fall off the bone ribs. Wow. Okay, here we go. The grand finale. The ribs fall off the bone. We got brisket. Beautiful. Any last words, Mr. Chef?
Can you give me a beer?
I guess I could get you one after this stuff. Yes, I will get you a beer.
Tonight. So the brisket was $55, and the ribs, there was 4 sets at 7, or just let's just say 8, 32. So $80 for these.
You running?
I'm running.
Okay, so CJ showed us how to do the ribs. Very easy. Put some rub on them, put them in the oven, and I'm gonna tell you, if you look at the plate, they are literally fall off the bone ribs. All right, CJ showed us how to do these ribs. Just rub the dry rub on 5 hours and take them out of the oven. And I'm gonna tell you, Mrs. Kapper and I usually buy for like 50 bucks a whack from the local smokery, the barbecue place. And these are just fall off the bone, delicious. So if I can do it, you can do it. Anyone can do this. Big thanks to CJ from Shit Happens, because these are absolutely delicious.
And your take, Mrs. K?
I'm going back for more.
Oh, perfect. I'm gonna go back for more too. Sorry. All right, what do we got here, CJ?
All right, this is what we haven't eaten, just in the ribs.
Okay.
So my gift to you is leftovers, vacuum sealed for the freezer for easy meals for you.
Okay, that sounds freaking awesome.
Joe, there's 5 meals.
So these are all ribs.
These are ribs, CJ.
Fall off the bone. Okay.
Fall off the bone ribs. Going in the freezer
That's awesome.
for you to eat later at your leisure.
Okay.
Brisket's next.
All right. If you look at the plate, they are literally fall off the bone ribs. Excuse me, I've been horsing this down. It's delicious. Hang on, I gotta, hang on. Okay, come on, hurry up. Okay. Okay. All right, CJ showed us how to do.
Sharon, can you give me another beer?
No.
Okay, folks, I'm gonna leave you with this for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna tell you that smells very good. Oh, CJ, did you go get your own beer?
Oh, hey, did you want another drink? I'll go.
I said Sharon instead of Mrs. K.
It's okay.
Oh no, the word is out. Now this smells very good, man. Just, oh yes, lasagna in the making right there.
Oh, Joe, brought back your shaving cloth. Let me go get it.
Nah, that's okay, man. That's yours to keep.